We're gonna get rid of the old phone here, blender style. Yeah, we'll put it in first. I see your point. Wouldn't really have the time for it.
This is Joe celebrating a Laker win right there.
Safety goggles. Yeah. Make some progress. Fucker's going down, man. Unfortunately, I don't have puree mode. I think we just busted the blender. Hold on.
Chug it, chug it, chug
Blender is busted.
That's, yeah, the blender.
That's a durable piece of shit right there.
The blender's now
fixable. See what happens.
He's doing more.
Okay, we'll stop. That's awesome.
Congratulations, Joe Morgan. You just blended.
We now have the Droid Incredible. We're good. Fucker's toast, man.